In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Google Analytics to your Hostinger website step by step. This is one of the most important things you should set up on your website because Google Analytics lets you track how many visitors are coming to your site, where they are coming from, which pages they visit, and how they interact with your content. Whether you're running a blog, an online store, a portfolio, or a business website, having analytics installed helps you make smarter decisions and grow faster. The good news is that connecting Google Analytics to Hostinger is actually very simple and only takes a few minutes. I'll walk you through the entire process, from creating the Analytics account to adding the tracking ID inside Hostinger. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and tech tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. The first step is to create your Google Analytics account. Open a new browser tab and go to the Google Analytics website. Once you're there, click on the button that says Start Measuring. This will begin the setup process for your analytics account. First, enter an account name. This can be your business name, brand name, or even the name of your website. After that, continue through the setup options and move to the Property Setup section. Here, you'll enter the name of your website, choose your time zone, and select your currency. Next, you'll need to provide a few basic details about your business or website category. These settings help Google generate better reports for your analytics dashboard. Once you complete these steps, Google will create your new analytics property. This property is what will collect data from your website visitors and display it inside your analytics dashboard. Next, we need to get your measurement ID, which is the code that connects your website to Google Analytics. Inside Google Analytics, look toward the bottom left corner and click on Admin. This will open your account settings. Under the Property column, find and click on Data Streams. Now select the web stream that represents your website. If you only created one stream, you'll see it listed here with your website URL. Click on it to open the stream details. At the top of this page, you will see something called the Measurement ID. It will look something like G- followed by a series of letters and numbers. Go ahead and copy this Measurement ID because we will paste it into Hostinger in the next step. Now let's move over to Hostinger so we can connect everything together. Log into your Hostinger account and open the H-Panel dashboard. From here, click on Websites so you can see the list of websites connected to your hosting account. Find the website you want to track and click Edit Website to open the website builder. Once the builder loads, look for the Settings option inside the builder interface. Click on Settings and then navigate to the Integrations section. Inside the Integrations panel, you'll see several different services you can connect to your website. Look for the option labeled Google Analytics. When you find it, click into the field where it asks for your measurement ID. Now paste the measurement ID that you copied earlier from Google Analytics. Double-check that the code is correct, because this is what allows Google to track your website traffic properly. After pasting the ID, click Save to apply the integration. The final step is to publish or update your website so the analytics tracking code becomes active. In the Hostinger website builder, click Update Website or Publish, depending on what option you see. Once the site is published, Google Analytics will begin collecting visitor data from your website. That's it. You've successfully connected Google Analytics to your Hostinger website. Over the next few hours, you'll start seeing traffic data appear in your analytics dashboard, including visitor numbers, page views, and user activity. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful website tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.